Hi, this video is about direct online starter. So direct online starter is also known as a dual starter and widely used to start electric motors. There are many types of starter, but the simplest one is dual. It is composed of electrical circuit and electromechanical parts to start and stop the electric motor. It dual starter, it connect directly to the power supply, so motor get the full voltage, and initially it can draw high current, 3 to 8 times more than the normal current. This type of starter is only suitable for the small motors, basically below 5 HP. Motor above 5 HP, it is better to use the star delta starter or some electronic starters. This starter is often sometimes used to start for the water pumps, compressor, fan and conveyor belts. And the control circuit depends on the coil. It can run on 220 volt or 110 volt or 24 volt. In this case, you need to add the transformer to step down the higher voltage. This shows the power and control circuit of the dual starter. So basically it get the three-phase power and the circuit breaker or fuse. It can use for the protection in case of motor failure or short circuit. Then there is a overload protection here, and then it directly these are the contacts of the contactor, and as said earlier, directly all three-phase voltage apply to the motor directly. In the control circuit, you can see here, when the operator or some person he press the start button, circuit close and contactor activated, and at that time it close all these three contact here. Once operator or person remove the start button, the current continuously flow through this normally open contact of the contactor, but then once it activated, this contact get closed and the now circuit will flow from this side here. When operator press the stop button, then circuit can break, or in case of overload, something goes wrong with the motor or mechanical load is higher or any issue with the motor. In that case, it draws the more current and overload protection activated, and at that time it open this contact and basically motor stop to working or motor stop. So this is the control circuit of the dual starter. Is pretty straightforward. These are the it shows the real wiring here. So this circuit breaker, people can use the fuse or this circuit breaker here. Okay, so in this case, the contactor coil is 220 volt. So basically it get the power here. It goes to the stop button, and then it go to the start button, and it goes to this overload protection here. This is NC contact. I assume this is NC contact, normally close contact. So it goes here, it goes on this way, and then goes to contactor coil here, and neutral comes directly to the contactor coil. So initially, so when the person press the start button here, it closes the complete circuit here through this one, and once the contactor activated, and at that time motor start here, and and this is the hold on contact. This is a normally open contact. So once the circuit activated, the current flow from the stop button goes here. Now is close contact, so it come back here and continue through this path, and motor keep running. Motor stop working when some person press the stop button, or something goes wrong with the motor, or some short circuit, or this when this overload protection, when that activated, it break this circuit here between these two contact, and at that time it break the control circuit and contactor deactivated. Hopefully this will help the dual starter to understand. Okay, bye.